Hi, I'm Steve Kaufman. I'm the general manager of Wilkes McLean, and we're here at IFPE in Las Vegas 2014. I'm going to give you a little tour of our booth. Wilkes McLean is a company that was started in 1970 by Roy Wilkes and Clarence McLean. We're a fluid power company, and we represent Nako Accumulators here in the United States, and we manufacture an inline noise and shock suppressor. So come on in, let me show you around our booth. The first product we're going to show you today is our Nako Accumulator line. Nako is a Japanese manufacturer of accumulators. They were established in 1955. They build a lot of great features in their standard accumulator. Their most important feature is they mold all of their bladders in single cavity molds out of one piece of rubber. So whether it's a 1/5 of a pint accumulator or a 40-gallon accumulator, the bladder is always molded out of one piece of rubber. There's no seams to come apart. They also mold the bladder into a star formation, so during compression and decompression, it always holds its shape. There's no bunching up of the bladder. Bladders tend to last a long time when it's a Nako accumulator. All their accumulators have a patented cushion cup on the top of their poppet, so there's no pinch bladder syndrome. These accumulators are built to last. Companies that don't want their accumulators to ever be down, like GE turbines, use the Nako accumulator because this brand will last you a good long time and you won't have downtime. They're easy, top pairable accumulators, and they're a great product. The next product I'd like to show you is our patented inline noise and shock suppressor. Wilkes McLean manufactures the noise and shock suppressor in our plant in Schaumburg, Illinois. We have a patented diffuser where hydraulic pulsation comes through 1/2-inch holes and then a spring with lands and through this perforated metal, and that whole diffuser tube, that we call it, is then surrounded by a charged bladder. The nitrogen is between the bladder and the shell. The great thing about that is it sees all of the pulsation coming through it, which greatly dissipates the pulsations. If you eliminate pulsations, you eliminate noise, you eliminate vibration, and you greatly extend the life of your componentry. Come on in and let me show you a little bit about the inline suppressor. The great thing about the suppressor is we're known as the product that outwit whales. And how did we do that? As fishermen went out on their long line boats, they would put their line out a couple long behind the boat, maybe even a mile. Every 12 feet there would be a piece of bait, and tuna and other fish would come up and take the bait. However, the hydraulics on the ship was like the dinner bell to whales. Every time the whales would hear the hydraulics, they would come up and they would eat the fish, and the fishermen would pull in a long line of just fish heads. So they used the Wilkes McLean suppressor on their hydraulic winches on the boat, and that way when they put the bait out, they were bringing up fish. So we had happy fishermen and not so happy whales. But the Wilkes McLean suppressor helped outwit whales. Thank you for visiting our booth here at IFPE in Las Vegas. As you can see, Wilkes McLean, we're a Midwest company. We make our product out of Chicago, Illinois. You can visit us at our website, which is wilkesandmclean.com, or give us a call. We'll be glad to talk to you about hydraulic suppression and Nako accumulators.